back to my channel, Hazel's Diary. Thank you so much guys for your unending support, for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel. And I hope you guys that you are all okay. And in this video guys is another unboxing because we ordered from Amazon Italy the steamer. Because normally guys, we do steam in the rice cooker, but now that we have a little one and it's a better steam foods for him because it's more nutrients, that's why we decided to buy the steamer. So let's see how it is guys. Let's start. See guys, there is the receipt from Amazon Italy, and then here it is guys. So now we have also the receipts. So this is guys the steamer that we ordered. So it's a glass steamer, and then from the box it looks very nice. So let's see how it is. Wow, so there is the manual. So there is another thing to read before using. Wow, so this is the cover. You see it's a glass cover. And the tray, glass tray as well, looks spacious guys. It's quite big. And of course the tray on top, if you want to put if you want to put the fish, the vegetables, so you can put here. You see, you just put on the main tray and you put all the things here. So this is the machine. Look. So there is the water tank that you can put the water. Then you put the tray, the main tray. Then this one is you put here if you have the fish, the vegetables. So whatever you steam guys, you put on the tray. And then there is the glass cover. So this is the glass steamer of CUISINART guys. I cannot tell you now how it works or how it is because I must still make another video for the review and of course for the demo. And for the time being, for the first impression, looks very classy. You see, it's very nice, big space, and of course quite a big tank for the water to steam. And also there is the control power. So the model of this steamer guys is STM-1000E. It's a CUISINART, and this one guys, as I said, we bought it in Amazon Italy because in Italy has the 220 volts, and of course in Philippines have the same voltage. And there are two models guys. For example, in Amazon US, the voltage is 110, which you cannot use in the Philippines. And why the reason we bought it in Amazon Italy, because guys is 40% cheaper than in Philippines. If you check in Lazada, the cost is around 21,000, and this one is we bought in Italy and is costing around 14,000 including shipment and customs. So it's very, how to say, transparent, you know, it's a regular process. And Of course, guys, the delivery is very quick. Less than a week, we receive already the item. So, if you are considering to purchase, of course, and you can consider as well buying in Amazon Italy instead of Lazada, because of course it's very expensive. And it's expensive, guys, but I think it's worth, because as you can see, that is a very nice steamer, and I hope that it's working. And of course, guys, I am very excited to try it, and I will let you know, guys, how it is on my next video. So I hope that you like this video. Please give a like, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, guys, to support. And thank you for watching, and hope to see you again next time. Bye.